Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yassine, and today I have something that's a little different. So when companies release cell phones, we get excited about the phones that are flagship phones because they pack all the highest specs and some awesome features that are just jam-packed in there, and it's really exciting. But companies have been also releasing mid-tier phones and also low-tier phones in the last couple of years, and they've been really good because the specs that's in those phones are specs that used to be in flagship phones like 2-3 years ago. So that means they will perform really good. And today I have with me the Honor 7 from Huawei. And this thing is $199 right here in the US on Amazon, unlocked to be used with any carrier that you want. And I really like this phone because it's from Huawei, and I do like the Huawei design. One of my favorite Android phones of all time is the Huawei Nexus 6P, and this thing has been extremely awesome. I love the design of it. I love the way it's just held together over time. So when Huawei released a phone that was mid-tier or low-tier, then I really definitely wanted to know. So let's check it out exactly what's in the box. Grab my trusty knife, and right before we cut in, actually, let me see. Right there on the back it says Honor Full View, and I think that means it's going bezel-less like the other flagship phones are, so that's pretty cool. It's got two cameras. One of them has a 16 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel within the same camera, and then there's a 8 megapixel camera. I think the 8 megapixels for the front facing camera, and the battery in there is 3340 milliamps. And if I remember correctly, that's bigger than the Galaxy S8. So I don't know, let me know if I'm mistaken. But cut this, and we cut this, flip it over. Let's see exactly what's in the box. So right away you are greeted with the phone, and if we take this out, it'll be plastic wrapped, and this is the black variant. It does come in different colors. Let's put the phone aside, and then you get the little booklet here, and inside, oh, it opens up, and the SIM tray tool is right there. So you get the SIM tray removal tool, which is shaped a little different. It's pretty cool though. So put that aside. Quick start manual guide. I'm not gonna read that. And then you get another bag. Let's see what's in this bag. Oh, they provide you with a clear case. See, that's pretty cool. Because this is not a flagship phone, and it's not going to be advertised as much and sold for as high, they can go ahead and include this. But then at the same time, I'm like, wait a minute. If you could sell this for $199 and include a case, why not include it in the flagship phone? I don't know. But this is a pretty cool case. It's got just clear plastic. It's got cutouts on it. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's put that aside. And then we will also get a Huawei charger, but for some reason this is not USB-C, so I don't know why, but it's regular USB. And then you get the charging cable, and this one right here is the regular USB-A to micro USB. So they went all out and decided to stay with micro USB. Once again, don't know why they did that. It's 2018. This phone just literally came out. It's scheduled to come out on the 25th of January, which is actually today, the day I'm recording this video. And they still decided to go with USB, micro USB. So let's take the phone out of the bag. Oh, this is nice. This feels good in the hands. Let me peel this off. If I can grab it. And if you guys take a look at this real close, then you'll see that it resembles the iPhone 6 and the 6S. It's got curved edges right in here. And then you got the buttons on the right hand side. Nothing on the left hand side other than the SD card slot. You got dual cameras set up right here. I'm going to have to play around with that. And it's got the headphone jack that it kept in the bottom. And then you also have the micro USB charging port and you get speaker grill on the bottom. This is nice. Let's boot it up and see if it's got some juice in it. Honor, powered by Android. So this is really exciting. Throw it inside the case. And this honestly feels like a premium phone in the hands. It's all metal. It's got a nice cold feel to it when you're using the phone. And it's got minimal bezels. As you can see, no bezels almost on the sides. Got a little bit on the top and bottom. Fingerprint scanners on the back. But other than that, it looks good. Like, it looks better than the 6P from a few years ago. So, wants me to insert the SIM card. I'm gonna have to do that later. Go through the setup process. Agree. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up later. I will be testing this phone for the next 2 weeks, and I'm going to make a review on it. Actually, currently, I just wrapped up my review period with the iPhone X, and I'm about halfway into the shoot. I'll have that out sometime next week. But I will be reviewing the Honor 7X. Let me know if there's something in that review period that you guys want me to test out. The camera, the battery life, the software, anything in particular you guys want me to check it out, and I'll definitely pay extra more attention to that part. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, both of them. I am at TechPlugHD. I'll be posting pictures from the Honor 7X. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.